Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video, I am covering one of my Power BI services. So if you are looking to hire a Power BI expert or if you're looking to hire a Power BI consultant, then I will be guiding you the steps that are involved while hiring and how we can get connected each other and makes this project successful. So this is a Power BI services that I'm providing currently, and this is my Power BI professional summary. So I'm a Power BI expert with 7 years of experience in creating dynamic dashboards and involving DAX, Power Query, and custom visualizations to support the business decisions. And on the back end part, I can provide you Excel, Google Sheets, and Google Looker Studio for our backend connectivity. So this is my profile. I have completed 144 projects till now with almost 5-star ratings, and I have a large client association. So this is our services. So in this services where I am creating the BI dashboard. So first service is the Power BI dashboard development, which involves cards, slicers, filters, and everything. Then if we are having a DAX formulas involvement, then I can provide you DAX formulas as well for custom column requirements. Then custom visuals also I'm providing, which is according to the needs and wants. Then the proper data modeling, whatever the data we are using, maybe SQL or maybe Excel or Google Sheets. So I will provide a data model and I will make the relationship and then we can connect that data to our Power BI dashboard. Then as well, if we have a Power Query transformation, maybe if we have an Excel database where there is an involvement of Power Query, so I can transform that as well. Then interactive reports, I'm also creating the interactive reports, which is a feature of this Power BI. Then drill through and slicers based on analysis part. So slicers and drill through reports are also there. So I can provide you on that one as well based on what specific requirements we have. So these all are the services that I am currently providing in the Power BI. Then how you can connect me and where we can start our process is that once I have the initial requirements ready, you can just message me over my WhatsApp or my email with a project overview that what are small overview, or you can just connect with me and then we can just have a small Google Meet or Zoom meeting setup. And once that setup and once that meeting goes well, then we can decide the cost and timeline associated with that project. So maybe the timeline, whatever, I will try my best for the timeline if we are in a hurry or if we have a good period. So that's all depend upon you how exactly we are looking for. So this is the project timeline, and then cost will be depending on upon the complexity and the time required to create that project. Then of course follow-ups. So basically we can create a Slack or WhatsApp or maybe some another communication channel platform where we can just get in touch with each other. I will provide you the follow-ups, any updates regarding the projects. So whatever the updates and whatever I require, maybe more regarding the files or some other things, that then we can just connect on WhatsApp or Slack, and we can just get in touch with each other. We can just set up another meetings, and this way we can continue the project. Then for the last one is the project completion. So once the project has been completed, I will give you the project files. Once I completed that Power BI project, then I will share you the files, and you can just test on it whether it's working as per the requirement shared, or any other tweakings required, so we can go from them. And of course, if you need some more time to test this Power BI setup in your system, then of course you can take time. It's upon us. So we can coordinate each other and discuss that one as well. So after customer service is also I'm doing. So if you have any issues regarding the project, or something is not running, or you need some more help regarding that Power BI setup, or any other custom requirements, then we can just get touch each other, and we can move from there onwards. So this is the steps that we have covered. Then this is our team. So currently I have two members more in my team. So this is me. I'm currently working on Power BI as a specialist. And then the backend for Excel and Google Sheets has been responsibility has been handed over to Shivam, who is managing that Excel and Google Sheets. And then PDF for some, if you have another project regarding the PDF and PowerPoint as well. So we are also taking that projects as well. So you can just get in touch with me, and Jent is a team member who takes care of this PDF and PowerPoint. So he's a PDF and PowerPoint specialist, and he just he's a champ, and he do a lot of things on PDF and PowerPoint. So he will be a good person to contact. So this is for our team. Then for the project life cycle, so it's very easy now. So initial, we just need you just message me over email or WhatsApp or Slack. Email and WhatsApp I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. You can just email me or WhatsApp me, and we can discuss on how we can communicate each other. Then the project requirements, similarly the same things, and you can just share with them files. And once I got the files and everything, then I will be sharing you the timeline, cost, how much cost will it make? Will it be there? And then payment setup. So I usually use PayPal, TransferWise, or bank transfer. These all are currently what I'm accepting as a payment methods, and I hope these one are simple as well. So this is a kind of payment setup that I'm currently working on. And once the project has been completed, then you can deliver the payment. So there's a transparency between the cost and the work. So there is no issue regarding that one. And once I delivered the project, and if you are happy with the files and everything is working perfectly according to your requirements and needs, then you can just make the payment, and I will mark the project as completed. And of course, I will give you some time to review the files. And if it's not working, then you can just connect with me, and I will be more helpful in that case. So don't worry about any issues afterwards as well. So this is the project timeline and the life cycle. Now, these are my contact details. So if you want to reach out me over my email address, so this is my email address, which is arunkumar9896 @gmail.com. And this is my phone number, which is 91 plus 91, which is of Indian number, and then 93141804008, which is my mobile number. You can just directly reach me out over my mobile. And of course, I have one US number as well, because it's currently free for me to talk. So you can just directly call to me over the second number, which is directly a US number, or you can just give me a missed call or anything. Then I will, or you can just message me over this. Whatever you think is okay, I'm okay with that. So this is all about our project. Now, I hope you like this video, and I will definitely will be reaching you out, and we will talk very soon for your project in the Power BI. So thank you for watching this video, and of course we will talk very soon, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.